In this tutorial, we will learn how to create navigation bar in Figma. Let's start by getting all the icons that you will need for the navigation bar. Also create a selected option for these icons. Then select the icons and create a component set. And repeat that process for all the icons. For each selected icon, change the property name. Now, let's start designing the navigation bar. Choose the color that you want and then create a rectangle with height 77 and align the rectangular to the bottom of the frame. Change the color of the rectangle. Create a circle with diameter of 46 pixels and change the color of the circle. After that, design an ellipse that's 112 on 72 pixels. Remove the fill and add stroke. Align the circle and the ellipse. Double-click on the ellipse to edit it in vector format. Now adjust ellipse handle as shown. Just make sure that the circle is on the top of the ellipse. Then remove the stroke and add a fill color, similar to the background. And adjust the circle accordingly. Group the ellipse and the circle. Wow, this looks smooth. Now bring all the icons on the navigation bar and arrange them. Select the first icon, bring it on top of the circle, align it, and change its property. Add text on the bottom. Repeat this for the rest of the icons and make sure they are centered. Select the rest of the text and push them down and make sure they are not visible, and change the opacity to 0. Select all the elements and frame them. Make 4 copies and rename them accordingly. Move the circle to the center of the second icon and adjust the text. Change their opacity accordingly. Now move the second icon into the center of the circle. Change the state to selected on the second icon, and on the first icon, change the state to default. Repeat these steps for the remaining 3 frames. Select all 4 frames and create a component set for the navigation bar. Now the fun part, let's do the prototyping. Select all the first icons and connect them to the first frame. Repeat this process for the other icons. Now select all the nodes, on-click, add smart animation, with a gentle transition over 600 milliseconds. Drag and drop our component from Asset panel and fix it accordingly. And there you have it. You created the animated navigation bar in Figma.